Here's how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat error code 30005. There are a few methods you can try, so let's start with the first one. First, open File Explorer, then go to your C drive, then go to Program Files DES86. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and look for the easyanticheat.sys file. Right-click on this file and delete it. If Windows doesn't allow you to delete the file, restart your computer and try again. After deleting the file, open Steam and launch the game you're having problems with. Check if the error has been resolved. If you're still getting the same error, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's showing the Easy Anti-Cheat error. Right-click on the game and select Properties. From the menu on the left, click on Installed Files. Then, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check the game's files and replace or repair any files that are missing or corrupted. Wait until the verification process reaches 100%. Once it's finished, launch the game again and check if the error is gone. Another possible cause is having another Easy Anti-Cheat game running in the background. For example, if you are playing one game that uses Easy Anti-Cheat and then switch to another game without completely closing the first one, it could cause a conflict. To prevent this, open Task Manager on your computer and check whether the previous game or any related processes are still running. If you have been playing multiple games, make sure the first game has completely closed before launching the next one. After closing any remaining game processes, try opening your game again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.